Hello, Chefela's world. How are you all doing? It's been a while. I miss you all. The long gap is not intentional, it's just the way things turned out. The work schedules these days is really crazy. Like, no time for me to really, put out my content from work to family, and I barely, have enough rest. But with time, everything will be balanced. So I just decided to come here today, at least to show you guys that I am doing well. For those of you that are worried, and also, so you don't think like I really don't, care about you. I really do. I do. And I also want to use this opportunity to say thank you to all of you, my new subscribers and my old subscribers. You've been amazing. And I want to say a special welcome to my new subscribers, because I noticed there are some persons that just joined. Like, I want to say a big welcome to you. Thank you for your support. I see comments. Thank you guys, thank you. And I really promise that I have a lot of things, going on my head, like I needed to put out here. I want to plead with you to be, patient with me. Please, please don't throw me away. It will definitely get better. So back to the egg and sardine. I would like you to tell me in the comment section what you would, enjoy this with. Would you take it with bread and tea, or you would prefer noodles? Let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching. I love you guys. Bye.